Let's talk about Gmail error codes today. Following the rollout of Gmail's email sender requirements, several senders are facing email delivery issues. An error response is generated by Gmail whenever your emails fail to be sent. This message contains a code and a text description of the error. If your error code starts with 4, it usually depicts a temporary failure. In most cases, trying to resend the message after some time resolves the issue. However, if your Gmail error code starts with 5, it may depict a permanent failure. A common error code email senders are recently getting is the 550 unauthenticated email error. While there are several variations of the 550 code, this can be an indication that your domain name is missing authentication information, like DMARC, SPF, or DKIM records. These are email authentication protocols that help you verify your email's legitimacy. To resolve this error, you need to incorporate DNS records in your domain name system to configure the protocols. Note that Gmail recommends all email senders to set up either SPF or DKIM, and only bulk senders to configure DMARC. However, we beg to differ. DMARC can help you scale up your email security and protect your domain name against phishing attacks, so everyone should do it. PowerDMARC's compliance program helps you meet Gmail's email authentication requirements easily. Our dedicated support team takes you on the journey of setting up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, monitoring your results, and enforcing your policies for maximum protection. We make sure you're not just a follower, but a leader in email authentication. So sign up today to get started.